Fowling?
Fowling is one of the weirdest games I've ever played. It's so fun though, and it's best played when you consume alcohol, I like to think.
Fowling, we accidentally invented at the Indianapolis 500. My wife and I and our friends have been going to the 500 for 25 years. Every year we'd have a project to impress our neighbors with our Detroitness. In 2001, we made a bowling lane. Our backstop didn't stop the bowling balls, so we immediately locked up the bowling balls. A couple people were playing catch with a football. One of the passes wasn't caught and went over and knocked over a couple bowling pins. Like, wow, we should throw the football at the bowling pins.
This building is so awesome.
Yeah.
This building here was built in 1916, and it was a constant velocity joint factory, CV joints. I don't think a maid was ever here. It took 14 months to change the factory into a place that the health department said, you're good to go.
I like to think of myself as pretty athletic, so I want to see what I can do with a football, bowling pins, and a little bit of booze.
Good thing they have beer, honestly, though, because I don't know what I would do.
Yeah.
We use here at the Fowling warehouse the bottoms-up beer system. It does fill from the bottom. There's a little magnet in the bottom of the cup. When the guest is done with their beverage, the magnet's a take-home souvenir.
I'm gonna get good at this, I promise.
One of the big hooks is that anybody can win at this game because you can throw the ball any way you want, underhand, overhand. It can bounce, it can roll. So there's all kinds of different throws.
It's my first time in this whole bowling concept. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of cool. Like, as long as you can throw at least a little bit, you can get the gist of it, and it's pretty fun.
Everybody comes here, men, women, all ages. The game's a great equalizer.
If you do well on your team, then your teammate loves you. If you're not too good, then your teammate's a little bit bummed out, like mine was.
I have never bowled before, and I'm not very athletic, but it has been so much fun.
Yeah, I like that you can get better with it.
Bowling's amazing. Hardest game I've ever played in my life next to golf.